going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We are out here on the Honda. Just wanted to make a quick video and compare the audio setups. As you can see, I'm not sure if you saw it on the camera. I mean on the mirror. We are rocking the new GoPro Hero 8 mod. So I'm gonna be trying out the audio, and I'm gonna just be showing you guys a comparison between this one, the GoPro Hero Mod, and the digital recorder. What is that? So it's just a comparison. We're gonna be looking into this audio quality from the GoPro Hero Mod against the digital recorder. The digital recorder is what I usually use, mainly because the GoPro Mic Adaptor, the 3.5mm jack adapter, that thing is unreliable at best. Sometimes we get good audio, and sometimes we get zero. It just doesn't record. For some reason, it switches the mic, the audio input output. It switches it out to the external GoPro and to the external camera itself. So I wouldn't know basically until I'm on the editing on my workstation, and that's basically the only time I actually notice if I had recorded audio or if I haven't recorded audio. And as anybody who uploads YouTube videos and makes content, I guess that could be frustrating to be talking. Technically I'm talking to you guys, and once I start uploading the videos to my workstation, there's no audio. So definitely frustrating. That's why I went back to my digital recorder sometimes, and it's just a hit or miss with the 3.5mm audio jack. And from what I've read on the forums and read on reviews, it's just it's just a luck of the hand, depending on your mic adapter. You could get a good one that's always working 100% of the time, and then you could get one like I did, which is 50-50. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work. But definitely frustrating when you think all your equipment is working or should be working. Here we are. Like I said, we're on Honda Shadow. It just feels funny whenever I go back to this bike. It just feels bizarre. It's just the placement of the I think it's the handlebars, or just the weight of I'm not sure what the weight is. It feels, maybe it's because the handlebars are a lot more narrow than my lowrider. It just feels like the front of the wheel wants to turn left or right. It just doesn't feel like it wants to stay centered. But I'm pretty sure it's just something that I got used to on the other bike, or maybe it's the front rake or the degrees or something. But it's just kind of bizarre going back to this bike. And then the forward controls is also something else that I kind of got used to. I mean, the mid controls is what I got used to on the lowrider. It's just bizarre going back and forth between both bikes. Completely different, as I had mentioned in my other videos. But yeah, this bike compared to my lowrider, it's definitely different. The GoPro, as I had mentioned, that 3.5mm jack has been giving me issues. So, and this one's going to be a little bit cleaner look, as you can see. I mean, it's a lot more bulkier than what I'm used to, and the weight, I'm not sure. Maybe the weight's almost about the same. I'm pretty sure it probably is compared to, but we're just gonna have to see what happens, depending at how the audio sounds. I'm gonna be uploading another video on setting up a helmet motovlog. So if you guys want to stay tuned and keep up to date with me, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And if you like motorcycle content, you could go ahead and subscribe. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna cut it short, cut it right here, and You guys can let me know what mic sounded better, which one you guys kind of prefer or whatnot. Like I said, this is the digital recorder within my vest and the GoPro Hero 8 mod that's on the helmet itself. And just comparison. You know, I'm gonna be looking into the audio too. I'm not gonna be editing or just. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like the video. I know it's one of those random mini updates, but thanks for tuning in. You guys let me know in the comments which audio you guys believe was pretty good. Same placement of the mic, same location of the mic. You know, same feed, same everything. Only difference is GoPro and a digital recorder. You guys, thanks for watching, okay? Later.